One of the questions I get asked a lot when it comes to creating online courses is this: how do I know what to teach? How do I figure out what I should create my course on? Or what should I base my course on? Actually, there are 4 simple ways that you could figure out what course to create. One of them is this. First, ask yourself this question: what thing do you get asked to help people to do the most? Think about this for a moment. It could be something you do at work. It could be something you're passionate about. It could be a hobby. What things do people ask you the most to get your help for? Are you the go-to person for solving a particular problem? For example, I have a friend who, before she started her travel business, she always liked to help people find great deals on travel. And she liked helping people use the internet to find answers to things they were looking for. So it became a no-brainer for her to start her own travel agency, which is now successful. Another is I have a friend who knows a lot about cars, and he keeps getting asked about, I have this noise in my car. Can you tell me what it is? Could you come take a look at my car and tell me what's going on? For someone like that, it's easy for him to set up an online course that has to do with cars, or a specific portion of cars, because that's something he's passionate about, and it'll be easy for him to do. The third one is, have you recently learned something that was pretty difficult and you overcame that? For example, how to use particular software, or you just finished writing a difficult exam and you passed. Now that could be something where you could go in and create an online course to show people how you're able to achieve what you did. That could be a great topic for an online course. Now, a fourth one is, if you already have an audience, you could ask them what they would like to hear about, or you could listen into your audience to see what things they're having problems with, to see if it's something within the area you're passionate about that you could respond to by creating a course that helps them solve that problem. Now, there are a few other ways, like going into forums like Reddit to see what kind of questions people ask, but that's a little beyond the scope of this video. But just know that there are many ways you can go in and check out the pulse of your audience to find out what they have problems with. And if you can create a video that helps them solve that problem, you have a winner on your hands. In essence, your online course is just a way to help people get all the information in one place that is condensed and summarized to take them from the problem to the solution of the problem in one place. And if you can do that, and you can create a course around that, you have yourself something that would help people solve a problem they have. And that will make it a product or a course that will be in demand. So, after saying that, here's what you need to do. Here's your first step. Get a pen and get a piece of paper, or get your computer, your laptop, or whatever it is, and write down a list of all the things that you get called to solve often. Write down a list of the things that you're the go-to person for. The list of things that people come to you to get a solution. And in the next lesson, we'll narrow that down to figure out what will be the best candidate for you to start creating your first course on. So do that now, and join me in the next video for how to continue. But meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe so that you'll be among the first to know when I create a new video in this series. Thank you, and catch you on the next video. We'll talk to you soon.